Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Ocean Bubbles Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Seafoam Home, and then for the Dotticure, I'm going to be using Sour Note, Spyglass, and Electric Sweetener. For the dots, I'm actually going to be swirling the three colors together. And so I'm going to get some of each of them out on a lid and then swirl them with a dotting tool before dotting onto my nail. Once cleanup is complete, you can gently press on any dots that seem like they're sticking up a lot. You don't want to smudge anything, but if you can keep them from sticking up too much, that's good. And then we're going to finish everything off with top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. I started with some other testing that I wasn't really happy with, and I'm really glad that I didn't settle because this turned out so much better. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate the crushed holo. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which includes that other testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.